For hundreds of children who lost their school during the Palisades fire.
They are in a new building and they're learning an important lesson about resilience. KCAL News reporter Tina Patel is live in the Pacific Palisades where the village school plans to rebuild. Tina, good morning.
Good morning. For nearly 50 years, this private school welcomed students from TK to 6th grade, but it has been destroyed in the fire. Administrators say they want to come back, but they don't know how long rebuilding could take. So they've leased a new site in Santa Monica for the next 2 years, and I had a chance to see how students and staff are adjusting there.
It worked for, the first 2 weeks.
The one thing you notice as you walk around the village school's temporary campus in Santa Monica is there are no walls. Classrooms and learning spaces are partitioned off with furniture and bookshelves. First grade teacher Carly Cohn says it's been an adjustment for her and her students.
Teaching all of us to be flexible and go with the flow. We always say in first grade, we go with the flow.
Administrators admit they didn't have much of a choice. When their private elementary school was destroyed in the Palisades fire, they knew they had to keep their community together. So they started looking for spaces that could accommodate up to 300 students. They saw the potential in what had been an empty floor in an office building.
While the lease was being negotiated, we were like, what is it going to look like? How are we going to explain this to our teachers? What do we need to start ordering now?
Students seem to enjoy that they can relax on cushions and beanbags, work in small groups on couches. The environment isn't as rigid as a typical school.
I love it. I love it.
But since they're surrounded by offices, there are different considerations when students go outside for lunch or recess.
Like being a kind neighbor, learning to be quiet and learning what it's like to be in public and see people outside of our school.
Administrators are already making plans to upgrade this space since it will likely take a few years to rebuild Village School. They're also figuring out how to support students. More than a third lost their homes or were displaced because of the fires.
I suspect we're going to be managing trauma with kids in waves. Grief and the way this goes is like up and down, but we're prepared.
Teachers say they've been impressed by the resilience students have shown so far. They're focusing on what they have instead of what they lost in the fires. It's a lesson for us all.
And how can we move forward and rebuild while acknowledging that something big happened, giving the space to feel our feelings, talk about it, but really move forward and be okay.
Now, about 30 families chose not to return to Village after the fires. Some relocated out of the LA area. But enrollment is going on now for next year, and administrators are hoping that most families will choose to return, even if they're not at the campus that they really wish they could be. We'll send it back to you.
It is tough. Tina, thank you.